This is Meatball back at you with another food review, and today we are reviewing Beyond Churros. These are the bite-sized miniature churros, and I haven't had these before. And yeah, we're gonna just get right into these. I have had churros before. They are very, very good. And they also have a chocolate flavored filling inside, so a combo of cinnamon and chocolate. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, and they are a little bit healthier since they are baked, not fried, according to the back of the package. They're soy-free, plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, and of course a good vegan option. If you're looking for vegan foods. Yeah, it's the cinnamon flavor we all expect from churros, with a little bonus of chocolate. Yep, they have a very appropriate crunch. The chocolate and cinnamon is a very good combination. My review, this would be a 9 out of 10 for me. I could snack on these for a long time.
What's the brand name again?
This brand is the Daily Crave. Well, this has been Meatball's Food Reviews, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.